Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making a delicious West African dish called Maafe. This peanut stew is loaded with yumminess. It's a great meatless recipe to try, so let's get cooking. In a Dutch oven over medium heat, we'll add oil, and when it gets hot, we'll add yellow onions as well as red peppers. We'll mix them together before seasoning with ground sea salt and saute the vegetables for 3 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll add minced ginger and pressed garlic. Of course, you know the drill. We'll quickly saute these two for just 1 minute. We'll now add tomato paste, and to salvage your leftovers, I have a great tip, so click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. We'll stir to coat and then pour in the melted peanut butter, followed by a can of fire-roasted tomatoes. We'll blend the ingredients very well. So far, we only added half of the ingredients and it already smells awesome. All right, so we'll pour in our vegetable broth, stir well, increase the heat to high, and bring the mixture to a boil. When it gets there, we'll reduce the heat and simmer for 10 minutes. When time is up, we'll add 2 sweet potatoes, peeled and cut into 1-inch pieces, and a can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained. We'll also add ground cumin, hot paprika for a little kick, and certainly some freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll mix everything until well blended. This time, increase the heat to medium-high, and when it starts bubbling, we'll cover, reduce back to medium, and simmer for 20 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. About 5 minutes before the end of cooking, we'll add the baby spinach leaves and, of course, stir them in. It's a gorgeous vegetarian dish, but at this point, if you want to add shredded cooked chicken, beef, or lamb cubes, this is the time to add some. We'll continue cooking uncovered for the remaining 5 minutes before spooning it in warm bowls. We'll garnish with some dry roasted peanuts, sprinkle on fresh chopped cilantro, and serve with lime wedges. And my friends, this is our West African peanut stew, also known as Maafe. Rich and creamy with a nice balance of nutty and savory flavors, this dish is so delectable. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!